here I am trying to put together this 4-layer fruit basket cart on wheels. The wheels I put together pretty much with my fingers. You can see they did provide a tool, but I didn't really need it. Then I put the sides together with the different layers of baskets. And then the most challenging part was putting the top on, just making sure it was all secured. The top is like the wood part. And then once that was done, the whole thing was voila, finished. And I didn't really require any tools for this. It was a very easy build.